Hi everyone, Marches here, and we are here in the Jordan Store Manila. We're one of the few who were able to go inside the store. Thank you again for Nike for inviting me over for this event, and congratulations once again. I went around already. It was so nice, and it was a very nice concept store from Jordan brand. Finally, you made it happen, because I'm really envious about Hong Kong before and other Asian countries that they had the Jordan store, and now we have one, so it's really a treat. And wow, so much fire in the store right now, and even the outfits. Say hi to MJ behind me. Yeah, MJ's there painting. This is my house. Joke lang, guys. So here, some apparels behind me, and of course some fire heats you can see there from afar. I'm filming here para you can hear me. That one, it's the Manila edition. And of course, some merch. It's not just for men here. They also have a customization shirt area there where you can make your own design. More, you can choose from different designs, logos from Jordan Manila. As it's memorabilia from the first Jordan store here in Manila. And such a very interactive store here. There are some limited edition Jordan outfits, apparels, Union. I'm really thinking about the Union jacket over that side. I'll let you know if I'll be grabbing it. It's a little bit thick, but it looks really nice. Looks pretty dope. It's not only catered for men. There's also kids. There's also kids area, and of course women. The women's selections are fire. All the hype sneakers are there. There's the Unions, there's the Mochas, there's the J1s, there's the Chicago colorway, and of course Tokyo colorway. Grabe here. Even this one, Camo, is fire. Another feature in the store, open your camera, and it will take you to the history of the sneaker. You can see it. Ayan. Jordan 10s. So I'll check in on you guys later on. I'll go shopping some more. I'll go around and check the merch and see you guys there. Try natin yung court, guys. First three. Yan natin, pasok. Boom! Nice, nice one. Nice again. So guys, itong court na to will be available next time. If you're a Nike Park VIP, you can schedule with them for half court on top of Jordan Store. Pero not now, guys, soon, hopefully.